So, hi everyone. As you must be knowing, deep research has been the hottest topic for quite some time now. And just recently, Google has also extended the limits of using Gemini Deep Research tool for the free users. So, now you get more limits on the Deep Research tool for free. So, if you don't know what is deep research, we will be showing you that in this particular demo and how to use Google Gemini's Deep Research tool for free. So, let's get started. So by the time we'll start off, deep research is a tool that can help you generate research topics, research detailed topics for free. That too in quite some detail. So you can create research reports within minutes on a given topic. So first of all, as you saw, we just need to type in gemini.google.com to enter this particular interface where Gemini is present, and then you need to enter into deep research mode by clicking on this. Once you do it, now your life becomes quite easy. You just need to provide a prompt on which you wish to generate your report, which is quite detailed, quite researched as well. This can be a game changer tool for writing books, writing long text, etc. So let's get started. So let me ask it a question, a prompt, and then generate a report for it. How to control carbon dioxide emission in India? So let's get started with deep research and let's see what it generates for us. So first of all, before entering, as you can see, it will give you a plan that what I am planning for this particular problem statement. Here you can see that these are the points that it will research on. Identify primary sources of CO2, investigate the progress, analyze roles, research the impact, etc. etc. As the next step, it will analyze the results, create a report, and ready in few minutes. And this would be a highly detailed report that you would be getting. So let's start the research part. Now here you will see that it will take some time, and the scraping of the internet web crawling starts now. Understanding emission sources, next steps in research. And here you can see that it is also listing down all the websites that it is researching for you. So as you can see that you are having a URL for statistica.com. You can see our world in data.org, iea.org, and it is extracting data from different websites. Not just that, on the left hand side you can also see the progress bar. As you can see, right now it has just started. Once the entire circle is filled out, your research would be done on a given topic, that too quite detailed. Not just that, if you see into this particular tab, you can also look into the different sites that you can browse, that it has browsing for you. So till now it has went through 7 websites. As you can see here, different websites are coming in which it is scraping for you and extracting information for you. One point to remember with deep research tool is that it is a time taking part. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes quite easily, if you don't alter anything, to generate a report for you. But I think given the detailing it will get you in the end, I think it's worth it any day. And given the tool is free to use, I would highly suggest everyone to try it once to generate long reports on any topics that you wish to have. So we will wait for some time. Let's read out certain results that it has generated by now. As you can see, it has till now scraped 77 websites by the time we are talking. I think less than 2 minutes, I would say. This is some crazy speed and a very unique idea, to be honest. This can be a game changer in research. And I think if you must be knowing, even OpenAI recently launched a similar tool called as OpenAI's Deep Research, which is very similar. But unfortunately, you can't use OpenAI's Deep Research for free. But you can use Google's Deep Research for free. Hence, I'm always towards the free side. So I prefer using Google's Deep Research. Apart from that, even in terms of cost, also, the cost of OpenAI's Deep Research is quite high as compared to Google's Deep Research. So I think, and not just that, even the original idea belonged to Google only, because it was first Google who launched deep research tool rather than OpenAI. So by the time we are talking, as you can see, it is on fire. It has scraped over 116 website, and all the different pointers that you were reading in the starting are now getting certain answers. Certain text is coming for each of them, as you can see here. And this is quite fast also, as you can see. It is researching through 153 websites. 50% of the deep research part is done almost. And I think the later on part, the analyzing the results, are done quickly. So it's the web crawling part that takes time for deep research. So if you like this tool, if this looks helpful for you, one thing is that it is free for you to use on gemini.google.com. The URL is present in the comment section below. And if not, I think recently certain platforms have given you an open source solution for deep research as well. I remember one named Olama Deep Research, which can now use your local LLMs to do the same thing. So not just the paid ones, even there are free options as well. So deep research looks to be a great tool, at least for guys like me who have been reading a lot, researching a lot, and for any topic it can help you create a report. Now to quicken things up, I will be just skipping out some parts of this video so that you don't feel bored, and let's see you on the other side of the video. So as you can see now, we are now analyzing results. The web scraping part has been done, and now deep research tool is now combining all the results and making insights out of it. So the first step was to scrape these websites, get some text, and now it's like analyzing these results for you. So I think this is almost the last step that we are reaching out, and within 1 or 2 minutes, your final report would be out. That looks flawless. So I think before this, I generated a report for a couple of more prompts, and this was just amazing. The best part is you don't need to know much of prompt engineering as well. You can just give it a simple prompt, and deep research does its magic for you. So now you can see that our final product is out. The report is done, and this is looking quite lengthy. Apart from that, for each section, it is also mentioning which website has been taken. It is also able to extract table. That's crazy. And not just that, you can even export it to Google Docs as well. So this is quite detailed. As you can see, the length is amazingly good. And I think if you're reading the subheadings, recommendations and way forward and all the things, it's very spot on. The hierarchy is looking great and looks to be a very detailed report. Now just assume that if you are able to connect your personal data and create a report like this, you can go to places, my friend. So I think deep research looks to be a great tool. It is available for free by Google, so any day you should try it out, worth trying out, and you get some limited hits, no doubt. But I think even for those limited hits, if you're able to generate 10 reports, I think you would be doing crazy enough. So I hope you try it out. This is amazing, and the link is in the comment section below. Thank you so much.